Hey guys, it's me, Sarah. Today we're unboxing a product from Swiffer, a duster's starter kit. All right, let's get in there and see what we've got. It comes with a handle. Cool. Hello. There are extra base 180 dusters included. They also have heavy-duty 360 duster refills. So now it's time to assemble. Let's put it all together. Starting with the handle, you're gonna line up the grooves and click into place. That was super simple. So for this one, I'm gonna use the heavy-duty 360 duster, which has a similar setup to the base 180 duster. Make sure you give your duster a good fluff before you use it. There we go. Now, on the back side of the duster, you can see there are two spaces to slide the end of the handle into, and we're gonna slide all the way to the top, like that. Now we're good to go. I love how the dusters remove dust so easily. You don't need any water or cleaning solution. And the 360 degrees of specially coated fibers trap and lock the dust in one pass. Nice. The Swiffer duster attracts dust, hair, and fur from just about any surface. This is the best part. When you're done, just toss it away. Oh, and if you ever need to reach high, no worries. Swiffer duster handles come in different sizes. Here's the handle that extends up to 3 feet. It swivels, which is handy. For really hard to reach places, there's a super extender handle that goes to 6 feet. And when you're done, they easily store out of the way until next time. Thanks for watching how to keep your home feeling and looking clean with Swiffer. Bye everyone.